The Apprenticeship Reform Programme is a set of changes that have been introduced to give employers more control over how apprenticeships are funded and run. The Education and Skills Funding Agency has introduced the Apprenticeship Service, which is an online system that allows employers to manage their apprenticeship programs. The online system allows employers to work out funding allocations, including estimation of costs, to source an approved apprenticeship training provider, to recruit apprentices. The changes in the apprenticeship sector are paid for by levy employers. The current estimate is that only 1.6% of employers will pay the levy, that is employers who have a pay bill of over £3 million annually. The vast majority of SMEs will not contribute to the levy. Instead, they will secure funding via an approved training provider that has a non-levy apprenticeship funding allocation. Any funding received will be based on co-investment, and the employer will be required to pay 10%. The remaining 90% contribution will be accessed by the training provider through government funds. Currently, only employers paying the levy can manage their funding through the Apprenticeship Service, and a roadmap has been set for all employers to access the Apprenticeship Service system by circa April 2019. Any apprenticeship funding accessed can only be used for training and assessment that follows the specified framework or standard, and must use an approved apprenticeship training provider and an approved endpoint assessment organisation. Apprenticeship training funds cannot be used for apprentice wages, managerial costs, and setting up apprenticeship programs. One of the key features of the online service is the Find an Apprenticeship tool. Employers search by job role or keyword, then click on each apprenticeship program for a detailed summary. The Find an Apprentice training provider tool enables the employers to enter the postcode of the future apprentice's workplace. The results lists registered training providers, including Pathway Group. Once an appropriate registered training provider has been selected, the apprentice recruitment process can begin. Make the most of the Apprenticeship Levy and get additional training irrespective of funding by working with Pathway Group. Give us a call on 0800 955 0870 or 0121 707 0550 and talk to our dedicated team. Or visit our website www.pathwaygroup.co.uk/apprenticeship-levy. Pathway Group, a workforce development solutions provider. Think apprenticeship, think Pathway.